pulmonary, airway. These three right here, airway, respiratory, pulmonary, those three words are pretty much used interchangeably. They all mean the same thing, kind of. Just talking about the air coming in and the system that brings the air in. All right, so airway, respiratory, pulmonary, they're all kind of used interchangeably. And these two things right here, that is what this system primarily does. That's what this system takes care of. This right here is a system, your respiratory system, AKA pulmonary system. It brings in air, so it brings in oxygen, right? So it's gonna bring in oxygen and it gets rid of CO2, all right? So, and it gets rid of CO2, okay? So that's what this system does. Why do we care about oxygen? What does oxygen do for the body? What does it do for us?
It keeps us alive.
It keeps us alive, right? There's something called ATP, and I'll get deeper into this maybe in a following chapter, but ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and all that is energy. Think of a spark, like it's like a little spark, okay? We need oxygen to make that ATP. ATP is pretty much life. It's our power source. It's what gives us energy, okay? Without oxygen, we don't make enough of it to stay alive. So that's why oxygen is so important. And I said we're making ATP in the body, right? Making ATP. So we're producing ATP. And you guys know that anytime you make anything, there's a waste. You guys know about that, right? It doesn't matter what you do when you're doing something, there's gonna be a waste. There's gonna be a byproduct. So just like most cars that are gasoline, they have exhaust coming out from that exhaust pipe, right? They have those gases. Well, CO2 is our exhaust. That's the exhaust that we make from making our spark in our engines that make our bodies move forward. Just like the oxygen allows a car to go forward, a gasoline car, when it combusts gasoline to make the spark. All right, so that's the main job. Any questions about this? Nope. All right, keep going. Perfect. All right. So the anatomy, take your notes real quick and I'll expand on this. Yeah, I'll give you a minute, take some notes, and